My job is testing OBD2 scanners, and I have tested a lot of OBD2 scanners, and I also work with a lot of VAG cars. So this is my list of best OBD2 scanners for VAG vehicles, and that is Volkswagen, Audi, Skoda and Seat. In this list you will find tools in every budget, and I will also include tools that works not only for VAG cars but also are suitable for other cars as well, so you can use it for all car brands, not only VAG. And then other picks will be dedicated only to VAG, and you will get better functions for cheaper price but only for VAG cars, so you will not be able to use them for all car brands. Okay, first will be Mucar BT200 Max. This is scanner for all car brands. It is working with majority of car brands. It is full system scanner, so you will be able to read and clear codes for every control module, whether it is immobilizer, engine, radio, central electrics module. All modules can be scanned, so you can scan all control modules with this one. You can also clear all fault codes, you can check live data in every module, and you even have 15 service resets. So service resets or service procedures are stuff like resetting your oil interval, adapting new battery, matching new remote, forcing DPF regenerations. You have 15 of these service resets you can use, and it has free lifetime updates. So not only you can use it for VAG, you can use it for all car brands. You can even do bidirectional testing, so test different components just with your scanner. It is cheap because it is for smartphone, you are only paying for adapter, and software is included with adapter, and it is free lifetime updates. So you don't have to pay anything more, and you can use this one for many years. Now what you don't have is long coding adaptations, so you will be not able to unlock some hidden settings with $fix app. However, the best feature of this adapter is that it is working as ELM327 as well, so you can still use different apps. For example, if you use Carista app, you can do some codings and do changes for your car with same adapter using Carista app. Or then you can use app like VAG DPF to check your DPF filter. So even though the $fix app is the official app for this adapter, does not have all of that special features for VAG, you can use it with other apps to extend this functionality. And then of course it works for most car brands, so you can use it not only for VAG but for all car brands. Next we have Launch Reader for VAG. So Launch Reader is very cheap scan tool. It is dedicated for VAG, although you can use it for every car, but for other cars it will do only basic diagnosing, so read engine fault codes, clear them, clear check engine, see some live data, readiness monitors, and that's about it. But for VAG you have full system scan, so you can access every control module. You can read live data in every module, you can use adaptations, basic settings, even some coding, although it does not have that full long coding helper like VCDS. But it will be enough to do most service tasks. You can do diagnosing of problems in every module, so for VAG it is pretty sophisticated. Next on this list is Xtool D8S. So this is one that is not dedicated to VAG, but works with all car brands. However, with scanner like this you got everything you need for VAG as well. So you got access to long coding, adaptations, basic settings, you have full system scan, you can do bidirectional controls, so test different components just with scanner. It even has guided functions for VAG, and this a lot of this more expensive scan tool has, and this is something like one-click apps in OBD11. So if you want to do some change and it is supported in these VAG coding functions, the scanner will basically do everything for you. And also where this Xtool shines is doing service resets. I tested a bunch of different cars for VAG cars, even some complex stuff like repairing my airbag module just with my scanner, because I had permanent airbag fault in my old Passat. And if I cleared faults, the airbag light would stay on, but using airbag service reset, I was able to get rid of my airbag light and repair my airbag control module. And also I tested odometer correction on a bunch of different VAG cars, and that works as well. I tried Golf 5, I tried Passat B5, I tried Golf 4, I even tried New Era Rapid, and I was able to repair odometer values. But of course, scanner like this is not cheap. It is about $550. But it is most professional on this list. It even has topology scanning, so you can scan modules and see this topology tree, which is good if you are having some communication issues. So it is pretty advanced, but if you are looking for something cheaper, next pick will be for you, and that is Kingball and Solo Scan for VAG. Maybe you already heard about this one, or more likely you heard about Kingball and IDEAC Elite. So same like IDEAC Elite, the Solo Scan for VAG can access all systems, so it is full system scanner. You can check any module for faults, you can read live data in any module. You can also do bidirectional testing, but Solo Scan actually also has long coding, adaptations, basic settings, all of the VAG features you need when we are working with VAG OBD system. And best part is that it is with free lifetime updates, so you only pay once and you can use it for lifetime. So this is different to OBD11, so you probably know OBD11, and there if you want to have long coding you have to pay pro subscription. But here in SoloScan you have it with free lifetime updates, so you can use it for as many years the adapter will be functioning. And adapters like this usually don't go bad, so it will last for a long time. Next we have VCDS clone version. If you have laptop, you don't have to think about it, just order this cable for about $20 of AliExpress. And for this $20 you will get professional aftermarket software. This is favorite aftermarket software for VAG cars. Everyone loves this, it is really advanced, it is really to use long coding because you have really good long coding helper. There are tons of guides, so whether you need to use any service reset, you can find guide online, on YouTube or some blog article. Community is really strong for VCDS. So if you don't mind using laptop, I suggest getting this. Now you can also get OEM version, but that will be about $500. So with this one, you are getting it cheaper, but you have to disable antivirus when you are installing. So if you want to use this, I suggest getting separate old laptop, buy some refurbished old laptop for $100, and you can use it without worrying. Because most of these clone softwares for laptops, they give you software for a cheap price, but you have to disable antivirus. Now usually they don't contain any virus, but if you will risk it, at least get separate laptop. And then next I have another scan tool, MuCar 892 Bluetooth. So this will be for all cars, you can use it for majority of car brands, but it is really good for VAG cars as well, especially for long coding. This MuCar 892 Bluetooth, it has very similar long coding helper to OBD11 or VCDS. So even though this is tool, not dedicated to VAG, it is made for all car brands. When you come to VAG cars, you can use this really advanced long coding helper. And you even have VAG guided functions, so it can do some codings for you. And then you also have online coding, so if you are replacing some module, let's say some of your control modules will go bad, you need to replace it, then you need new code for that module. And that code you can install with online coding. And the best part is that it is with free lifetime updates, so you just pay for it once and then you can use it for many years without paying anything more. And now my favorite pick is OBD11. I know some people have mixed feelings about this one, but I still think that it is one of best VAG scanners out there. Simply because you don't even have to pay subscription. If you just buy the basic device for about 60 euros, you will get full system scanner for VAG, you can access every module, you can read live data in every module, you can do data logs, you can even do bidirectional testing. So all of this pretty advanced functionality you can use without paying subscription. And then if you want to unlock some hidden features, maybe you can do credits. But I recommend using credits only if you have some old car. There are not that many features you can unlock, maybe just one or two, that it is simpler to buy credits. But if you have newer car or you want to do a lot of codings, I suggest getting the Pro plan. And there you can use that advanced long coding helper, you can use adaptations, security logging, basic settings, basically everything that VCDS does, you can also do with OBD11. Now I know you will be also wondering about SFD2 protection. So from about 2023 models you have SFD protection, but no aftermarket tool can go around SFD2. So right now when I'm making this video, there is an aftermarket tool that could bypass this SFD2 protection. Hopefully there will be one soon. So I am also linking article to my website, Best OBD2 Scanners for VAG. And you can check that article. Maybe there is already some new scanner better than this I mentioned, or there will be some new scanner that can unlock SFD2. And in that case, I will update it in that article.